Hi there, welcome back. Today I have purchased this mic from Portronics. It is very cheaper. It is a wireless mic actually, so that I can use it, while I was doing my motor vlogs. Let us unbox this and see how it looks like. Okay, this is the product that we got, and inside the box we got these two. This is is a manual, that is fine, and we have this warranty card as well. Let's put this to aside, and here is the actual product that you can see, and this is the mic. It is very lightweight, and we got a huge, of course it is very little, but the size of this sponge is very big, so that it can cancel our noise, meaning it can avoid disturbances and all. And we got this clip too, and also we got the power button here placed. So let us turn this on. Okay, it's just one short click, that's it. You can see it's turned on. And we also got the receiver for type C, so you can actually connect this one to your mobile or camera or a laptop, and you can put this on your shirts or somewhere wherever you are comfortable. So I believe, as per the product description, we can just follow these steps, and just like this, you just connect to a mobile, and you can start recording your voice. Yet to test it, as I just unboxed it, but this is very lightweight and looks super cool. Now let us see what's inside, because we got here another type C, meaning we can charge this one, and as well as you can see here type C the port we got here, meaning we can charge here. So that means that they should have given on charging cable as well. So we got this one type C, and the other side it is just a USB, meaning we can charge the mic and as well as the receiver before you are using it. That's all from this. If you are also looking for the same kind of product, I will paste the link in the description. Kindly go through it. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching, guys.